How to deactivate Facebook temporarily. If you need a break from Facebook but don't want to delete your account permanently, you can temporarily deactivate it using the mobile app. Start by opening Facebook and tapping the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. From there, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then choose Settings. In the Account Center, go to Personal Details, then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your account, and then select Deactivate Account. Facebook may ask you for a reason. Choose one, then tap Continue and follow the remaining steps to confirm. Once deactivated, your profile will no longer be visible to others, and people won't be able to search for you or view your posts. This is a simple way to take a break without losing any of your content or connections. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.